Good evening, my fellow partner. This is Olumik 14 on 109. And this evening, I just want to quickly open your eyes to some issues of concern. That my wife observed that, and I also observe it, so that we can quickly look at it and solve this issue once and for all. You know, want to quickly open your eyes to how you can resolve no data issue on 5 billion cells. So I want you guys to listen to this information, and do the needful when you encounter this kind of situation. So I will start, by logging to my dashboard and then show you what I encountered this morning through my dashboard. So I just want to flip through and get to my link, my users link that I've sent on different platforms. So this is one of the platforms that I use anyway. So it's going to take me to my dashboard, and I'm going to see things yourself, what I encountered today, and want to quickly draw your attention to it so that you'll be able to overcome this difficulty in case you experience it later on. So I click on what on my money maker, and it will take me straight to what on my dashboard, where you will see the earnings and all that. 5 million promises to really deliver, things to us. So you can see today it has not reflected. My income from data has not reflected. So I want to quickly know what has happened. So I have to click on what on that button, view, and you can see no data. So I click on what on that low data, and it will display, the reason why it's not why I have that case. Please take time to read this. Shows no data in what am I earning for today. Please follow these guidelines on your device. Please go to the extension tab link where you install the original 5 billions extension. Check that our extension is not disabled, or if it is disabled, then enable it and search the web and click result and return to my earning page. If the 5 billion cells is enabled, then please remove it from the device. So the profile what we have to do in order to resolve the issue, and that is what I've said to quickly do, at this junction. So I go straight to my Kiwi browser. Let me just flip through straight to my Kiwi browser. So my phone, I just moved to letter K. Kiwi browser. Okay, this is my Kiwi browser. So I click it. The Kiwi browser is popping up at this juncture. So we just have to wait for it. Now this is the address bar of the Kiwi browser trying to pop up, and I can see the trade control button at the extreme right, top extreme right. You see the trade control button. So I haven't done that, and I've clicked on what's on the trade control button. It takes me to this place. Once I click on extension, it takes me to this place. This is the current place that it will take you to when you click on extension. And I discovered that something is wrong somewhere. And what is wrong? We look at it critically. You discover that the 5 billion cells that have been set up there, has faded out. And when I disable it, I'm not even seeing it either. So let me try and disable it. I'm not seeing anything. So it means something is wrong. I need to go back to what to 5 billion sales sites to what to install the browser, the five to install the extension back so that it can give me the desired result, and that's what I want to get done right now. So I have to go back to what to 5 billion sales right now. All right, watch me how I get that done, so that if you wants to do this, you can as well follow the full step to get things done. I'm trying to work to code switch, okay? Um, it's taking much time. Let's wait for it. It's like the phone is hanging. Too much of things being pressed at the same time. So let's take it easy to get the task done. All right. So let me just quickly go to what to my 5 billion cells. I thought I've opened it before, so that's why I want to fast track it. So anyway, I click back my link to take me back to my dashboard as I've shown earlier on, and it's displaying right now. It's displaying. Yeah, let's wait for it and see what it will pop up. It will take me straight to my money page, as I've shown you in the time pass. So the 5 billion sales is what is loading, as you can see. All right, so let's wait to finish the load. This good is asking me to what to my money. So I click on what on the image button, takes to um, the page that is welcome money page. Then I have to click on what on sell. Yeah, so when that is also loaded, so let's wait for it. And okay, uh, this asks. So I have to click on the second level, which is browser extension. Then scroll to where you will see download browser extension Kiwi. So you click on it and allow it to download. So let's click on that because I have to download that extension for Kiwi. So this is a video, and you can see, click here to download your extension. So I'm going to click on it right now, and wait for it to download the extension. So that's how to download the extension. As you can see, it's downloading the extension. So I have to switch back to my Kiwi browser, so as to get it set up again. It is pretty easy to do that. So I switch back to my Kiwi browser. Takes me to that extension page where I can set up the extension of 5 billion cells in my Kiwi browser. So it's coming up now. So I just have to click on what on the second button by my right. You see, from zip drive. So I click on from this zip drive. I'm knowing fully well that the developer mode is supposed to stay there. So I click on file, and from my file, I can get to where the extension has been downloaded. So you can easily get to this place, and you click on downloads. Let's see what has been downloaded. You can see the 5 billion cells as 5 billion cells extension. So you click on it. So I click on it to install it right away. So I think it's coming up now. It should shows up here. If it's not showing up, you have to go back. Okay, it has shown. So at this junction, you can see that it has shown up. Then you need to disable this developer mode. I haven't done that. Easy does a little wonder. You have set it up again, and your data will definitely be activated after you have browsed. So I'm going to browse with my Kiwi browser right now. You can just browse in anything anyway. Take for an example, the richest man in the world. The richest man in the world. Just click on it, then it will give you the information instantly. It's a browser. It can perform like every other browser. As you can see, Elon Musk is what is displayed with its worth. Estimated worth of $188 billion. That's a multi-billionaire. And the 10 richest man in the world. You can click on on that highlighted text as well. And it will show you the list of the world richest, the world richest people in the world. From different continents, the world of the world will be displayed, and their net worth will also display and all that. So I have browsed with the Kiwi browser. Let's now go straight to the 5 billion cells in order to put things right. So that aspect of no data will definitely be rectify. So I get back to my link takes me back to my money page, and at this juncture, believe that I should be able to redeem that aspect of no data, in no time from now. So my 5 billion cells is what set size is popping up. So takes me to my money page. So I click on my money page, and from there it locks me on to the place where I will see sells your data. So I click on on sell your data, and from there it takes me to this place. As you can see, my income from my data is what is getting loaded up. So let's now click on on the earnings, and just want to see the effect of this juncture. Has anything changed? Yeah, it has been rectified. You can see I have regained back good data. Validated 1.1 has been given to me. You can see that's how to solve the problem. I've just show you from the beginning, no data, and now it has been rectified. So follow it. When you are having that kind of issue of no data, follow the step that I've given. I hope this has helped to solve that problem once and for all. Then you can click on check and approve your earnings, to see the status quo of things, and you can see that your data is wonderful. Income from my data is now 48.40, and that's the actual one that I supposed to get for yesterday, because as I'm doing this video recording, this is 12:09. We have entered into another day. This is midnight, for crying out loud. So definitely, I should be expecting another data for what for Saturday. So that's how to rectify this, friends. I believe that this will what will help people, in my group and in other group that belongs to 5 million cells. This is Olumic 14 on What Online, and I'm saying happy Easter Saturday. Thank you. God bless us all.